Unveiling the Dark. The meaning of pitch black. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the vivid phrase, pitch black. This term paints a picture of darkness in our minds, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and shed some light on this expression. The phrase, pitch black, describes a level of darkness that is deep, intense, and devoid of light. The word, pitch, refers to a type of resin obtained from trees, traditionally used for waterproofing boats. This substance is naturally dark and was once used to seal and protect wooden ships. When we say something is pitch black, we are comparing the darkness to the color of pitch, implying an almost tangible darkness you can feel. Interestingly, pitch black has been a part of the English language for centuries. The term is believed to have originated in the 14th century. It evokes a time before electricity when nightfall or being in a closed space without any light sources could mean being surrounded by an almost solid darkness. To use pitch black correctly, it's best to relate it to scenarios where absolute darkness is present. Here are a few examples. The basement was pitch black, and I couldn't see anything. Out in the countryside, away from city lights, the night is truly pitch black. There are several synonyms and related expressions that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include inky darkness, suggesting a darkness as deep as ink. As black as coal, coal being a substance known for its deep black color. I hope this explanation has illuminated the meaning of pitch black for you. It's a phrase that not only describes the absence of light but also carries with it a history and depth. Until our next lesson, keep exploring the richness of the English language. Goodbye, and stay curious.